Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Ice Maker. Both machines promise convenience and efficiency. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we will dive into their specifications, compare their features, and help you decide which ice maker is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the AGLUCKY Ice Maker is priced at $119, while the Sweetcrispy Ice Maker is significantly cheaper at just $59. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many consumers looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. Both ice makers produce 9 ice cubes, but the Sweetcrispy Ice Maker does this in just 6 minutes, while the AGLUCKY takes a bit longer at 6 to 8 minutes. This slight difference in ice production speed may appeal to those who prioritize quick access to ice. In terms of features, both machines offer self-cleaning capabilities, which is a great convenience. However, the AGLUCKY Ice Maker boasts a transparent top for easy monitoring of ice production, while the Sweetcrispy includes a carry handle for portability. Depending on your needs, one feature may be more beneficial than the other. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Sweetcrispy Ice Makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The AGLUCKY offers a transparent top and a higher price point, while the Sweetcrispy is more affordable and portable. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.